Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen, the faculty of Liaquat College of Medicine and Dentistry, the principal sahab, the parents, and the student. Congratulations. This is a great day that you have entered into a very noble profession. There's a long way to go, and a lot have been said about studies. I'm not going to talk about studies. I want you to enjoy your presence in the medical school. In addition to studying, you must participate in extracurricular activities. And I'm going to tell you a few examples of champions who, while they were in medical school, they created an impact. And Dr. Shambil knows very well Dr. Abdul Bari Sahab. Dr. Abdul Bari Sahab, he's one of the founder member of PWA at Dow Medical College. वो क्या करते थे? जो गरीब पेशेंट्स होते थे उनके लिए दवाओं का इंतजाम करते थे, ब्लड का इंतजाम करते थे. Many years ago there was a bomb blast in Karachi and he established a state-of-art accident and emergency department at Civil Hospital Karachi. Then he established a state-of-art cardiac surgery unit. And now you know that he has established an Indus Hospital network. यहाँ डॉक्टर शर्मिल ने जिस तरह कहा कि स्टेट ऑफ आर्ट ट्रीटमेंट लेकिन इज्जत से. So there are a lot of examples. Professor Adib Rizvi साहब, a legend. उसी सिविल हॉस्पिटल में he created Sindh Institute of Urology and Transplantation. Another champion, Professor Dr. Tipu Sultan. The entire family, not only being a good doctor, but a good human being with a care for poor patients. I remember Dr. Tipu Sultan established the first pre-operative anesthesia clinic at Civil Hospital. Unfortunately, a lot of doctors did not like it and they got that clinic. He established the first intensive care unit at Civil Hospital and there was no charge. And you know, in a private sector hospital and in other places, people who were critically ill. And the list goes on. Professor Ghaffar Bilusa, उन्होंने many years ago research की तरह बात करें चीनी और नमक से he saved thousands of infants. WHO recognized him and gave him an award, and that was the beginning of ORS. So the name goes on. You have entered into a field that has got infinite options. So while you are studying different modules, see what you are interested in. Two broad categories are there: surgery and allied, medical and allied, diagnostic, radiology, pathology. This does not stop here. So you don't like surgery, you can become a dermatologist. You don't like surgery, you can become a rheumatologist. You can become a physician. But then it does not stop here. You can be a researcher. You can do MBA and enter into hospital management, quality care. You can enter into pharmaceutical as well. So the options remain infinite. But I would tell you that see what your aptitude is. Because yes, Dr. Shambil has mentioned many things. I would add to what he said कि जो पेरेंट्स की जो ख्याल करना है ना वो तो है, लेकिन अगले 5 साल उन पे बहुत बड़ा फाइनेंशियल बर्डन भी है. कंटिन्यूस अटेंडेंस तो है, लेकिन अगर फीस जमा नहीं होगी तो आप एग्जाम में नहीं बैठ सकते. एंड किसी पेरेंट के 2 या 3 बच्चे प्राइवेट मेडिकल कॉलेज में हैं, तो इट पुट्स अ लॉट ऑफ बर्डन. Do respect them. They have sacrificed their time and they will continue to sacrifice for many years to come. And when you inshallah complete, and even when you're preparing for your post-graduation, you will still work very hard. आपकी शादियाँ भी कराएंगे, उसमें भी वो खर्चा करेंगे. So make best use of this time. Learn to do multitasking. मैं एक orthopedic surgeon हूँ, but I do a lot of other activities. And learn to do multimodal thing. मुझे Health Research Advisory Board का मैं founder member भी हूँ. First National Healthcare Registry establish की है. I represent Pakistan at international forum. So I'm going to become the first Pakistani to be a president of Asia Pacific Joint Replacement Society. So you need to excel. Research and publication is something that will outstand you. And Billu Saab कहते हैं, the research has to be relevant. And the impact has to be on local population, not just a publication into an international reviewed journal, but what your research is going to do and change the life of population. So I'm not going to take long, but this is a beginning of a very exciting journey. And don't overburden yourself. Yes, attendance is extremely important. But I just want to say in one sentence, enjoy your presence, enjoy your studies, and unless you're excited, you're not going to become a very good doctor. Feel excited when you're doing your clinical attachment. Attach yourself with the patient. See, evaluate what you want to do, and then inshallah you're going to be a good human being and a good doctor. And thank you very much. Assalam.